The University of the West Indies Guild of Students is this evening raising concerns about security on the Mona campus following an incident in which a female student was sexually assaulted in a restroom. In a statement to students last night, UWI said the incident happened on May 5 about 2 p.m. at the restroom near the Annex and Senate buildings. The university said the incident was immediately reported to the police and a team was deployed to the campus to investigate. Vice President-elect of Services and Special Projects at the UWI Guild, Javante Webster, said the Guild was officially informed about the matter yesterday.
We would have contacted administration indicating that we're requesting, leniency in terms of examinations as well as instant healthcare for the person who was in a situation, as well as, social, psychosocial intervention in terms of counseling, etc. Additionally, we would have been banking on the fact that communication is very important, especially given the fact that the nature of the situation. So from yesterday, we're demanding, we need to send us students to indicate to them what's going on. Additionally, we would have met, well, schedule a meeting rather with the director of security so that we can start analyzing the security measures on the campus. As you know, currently we're heading back into a face-to-face reality. So I want to ensure that the security protocols that are in place, we are abreast of them so we can probably provide some suggestions so we can boost up security.
Now, in its statement, UWI said since the incident, the security team has enhanced its operational plans to include increased monitoring of restrooms. It says restrooms that are in extremely remote locations will also be kept closed for now. UWI notes that plans for the installation of more surveillance cameras and panic alarms on campus are also being expedited.